Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. China has approved the asthma indication for Trelegy Ellipta, adding to its COPD label. This makes it the first single inhaler triple therapy for both asthma and COPD in China, with the CAPTAIN study supporting the decision. Expect new competition that could influence pricing and formulary access. Traws Pharma has completed enrollment in its open-label Phase 2 study of ratutrelvir versus Paxlovid, with an additional arm for Paxlovid-ineligible patients, totaling 90 participants. Ongoing analyses point to differentiated tolerability and symptom resolution signals, while a monthly tivoxavir marboxyl tablet is advancing toward a 2026 influenza challenge study aiming for 28 days of coverage, with the primary endpoint not specified. Nuance Pharma's new drug application for Ohtuvayre, or ensifentrine, for COPD maintenance has been accepted in China following Enhanced China. Prior access was available via Bo and the Greater Bay Area, and Macau has already approved it. Ensifentrine is a first-in-class dual PDE3 and PDE4 inhibitor that combines bronchodilation and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory activity, which could affect pricing and access dynamics. GRI Bio reported Phase 2A RNA sequencing results for GRY 0621 in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, showing favorable modulation of genes associated with lung injury, myofibroblast activation, extracellular matrix deposition, and epithelial repair compared with placebo. These signals align with earlier biomarker and functional findings, though the sample size was not stated. MicuRx received FDA clearance of an investigational new drug application to begin a Phase 2A study of oral MRX5. In Mycobacterium abscessus pulmonary disease, RX5 holds prior orphan designation, showed preclinical potency against resistant isolates, and demonstrated favorable early safety profiles. Kymera Therapeutics dosed the first patient in BREADTH, a global, randomized, placebo-controlled 12-week dose-ranging Phase 2B trial in eosinophilic asthma. The primary endpoint is change in FEV1. KT-621 is an oral STAT6 degrader designed to impact interleukin-4 and interleukin-13, signaling that drives type 2 inflammation. Wave Life Sciences regained full rights to WIVE-006 for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency from GSK and plans to engage with the FDA in 2026 to discuss potential accelerated approval. Additional Restoration 2 cohort readouts are expected, and the RNA editing aimer is intended to address both lung and liver disease with subcutaneous dosing. Cereno Scientific's expanded access program in pulmonary arterial hypertension completed the last patient last visit. Initial learnings are planned for the first quarter of 2026 to complement Phase 2A signals. CS1 is an oral histone deacetylase inhibitor with disease-modifying potential and holds orphan drug designation in the United States and European Union, along with FDA Fast Track. Stay ahead in respiratory research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you